Hello everyone, let's learn how trail settings work. Here, you have to select yes. Then it will ask you if you want to give trail value in points or ticks. So, let us go with the points. I place 5 here, 10 here, and 15 here. So what would it do? If we go for trail stop loss value, as we put here 5, and let's say your entry price is $100, so your stop loss is going to be placed at 95. Now it's time for trail trigger value. This is basically used for activating the trigger. As we have put here 10, whenever the market moves $10 in your favor, then the trail is going to get activated. Let's say our entry price is $100. So when it moves to 110, then the trail gets activated. But this works for the first time only. And as the market moves $10 in our favor, previously our stop loss is at 95, which then moves to 105. Now let's see for trail frequency value, here, as we have put 15. So it will trigger the trail after every $15 movement. As our trigger got activated at 110, then after $15, mean at 125 it will trigger the trail. Now, the stop loss here will maintain the $5 distance as the market moves. Now let's see for the ticks. So let's understand with the same values. If we talk about the NQ, the tick size for NQ is 0.25, so according to this, 10 ticks means 2.5. Let's say our entry got filled at 100, so when it will move $2.5 in your favor, then your trail will get activated. So if the market moves to 102.4, then nothing will happen, and when it moves to 102.5, the trail got activated. And here, after every 15 tick movement in your favor, the trail will get triggered. Here, as you put in the value, it will show you the calculations. Here we have video tutorials for those things, so you can watch it.